Today, you're about to witness the unimaginable power of the most advanced wood crushers and shredders. These machines can obliterate massive tree trunks and the toughest stumps in mere seconds, with unstoppable force and precision. Get ready, because what you're about to see are jaw-dropping moments where mechanical strength meets total destruction. Chainsaws are among the most powerful and versatile handheld cutting machines in forestry, construction, and landscaping. Whether it's felling trees, cutting large logs, or pruning thick branches, the chainsaw has become an indispensable tool for both professionals and skilled DIY users. However, with great power comes significant risk, and understanding both the benefits and the dangers is crucial to operating this machine safely and effectively. Chainsaws operate using a motorized spinning chain with sharp teeth that move around a guide bar at incredible speed. This speed, combined with raw mechanical force, allows them to slice through dense wood in seconds. One of the greatest advantages of chainsaws is their efficiency. Compared to manual saws or even some industrial equipment, chainsaws can complete tasks in a fraction of the time. They also provide mobility. Thanks to their relatively compact size, operators can carry them into remote areas, up trees, or into difficult terrain where large equipment would never reach. Another benefit lies in their adaptability. Chainsaws come in various sizes and power types, from small electric saws for home use to heavy-duty gas-powered models for commercial logging. Interchangeable chains and bars allow customization for specific tasks, whether it's carving, splitting firewood, or emergency tree removal after storms. However, chainsaws are not without serious dangers. Improper use, lack of safety gear, or even a momentary lapse in focus can lead to severe injuries or fatalities. One of the most notorious risks is kickback. When the tip of the guide bar strikes an object or gets pinched during a cut, it can cause the saw to jerk backward toward the user at lightning speed. Kickback incidents are the leading cause of chainsaw-related accidents and can happen to even experienced users if they aren't careful. Wood crusher machines. Raw power with real risks. Wood crusher machines are powerful industrial tools used to break down trees, branches, roots, and wood waste into chips or sawdust. These machines play a vital role in forestry operations, wood recycling, and biomass fuel production. With the ability to process massive logs and stumps in seconds, they drastically improve efficiency, reduce manual labor, and help manage large volumes of organic waste with ease. One of the main advantages of wood crushers is their high throughput and productivity. Equipped with rotating drums, blades, or hammer mills, they can handle large diameter materials that would take hours to cut manually. They also contribute to sustainability by turning waste into reusable materials, from composting matter to fuel pellets and chipboard. Tree debarking machines with excavator-mounted cutter heads. Strength meets precision. Tree debarking machines with excavator-mounted cutter heads are a game changer in modern forestry and timber processing. Designed to strip bark cleanly and efficiently from logs, these machines use high-torque rotating heads mounted on the arm of an excavator to handle even the thickest, roughest tree trunks. The combination of mobility, reach, and power makes this equipment ideal for high-volume, on-site wood processing. The key advantage of these machines is efficiency and precision. They can remove bark in a matter of seconds while minimizing damage to the wood underneath. By attaching the cutting head to an excavator, operators gain exceptional maneuverability, allowing them to debark trees directly where they are felled, eliminating the need for manual handling or transporting to a separate processing station. This setup is especially valuable in rough terrain or remote forest locations. The wood crusher is an essential machine in the forestry and wood processing industry, especially in sawdust production plants, biomass pellet factories, and wood recycling workshops. Its primary function is to crush trees, branches, and roots into wood chips or fine sawdust, transforming bulky raw wood materials into reusable resources. This not only optimizes production efficiency, but also reduces wood waste significantly. Depending on the production needs and scale, wood crushers are designed with various operating mechanisms such as dual-shaft shredders, hammer mills, or drum chippers. Among them, the dual-shaft model stands out for its ability to handle fresh wood, large tree roots, and knotted branches, materials that often challenge traditional machines. Hammer mills, on the other hand, are better suited for producing fine sawdust, used in biomass furnaces or pellet production. These machines are typically equipped with high-power motors, wear-resistant alloy steel blades, and automatic conveyor systems to improve productivity. Many advanced models also integrate metal filtering systems to ensure clean, safe output for downstream processing. Investing in a wood crusher not only helps businesses reduce wood disposal costs, but also promotes sustainable and eco-friendly operations. Whether in recycling, wood processing, or biomass energy production, the wood crusher plays a central role, delivering long-term value and practical benefits to its users. The wood cutting and splitting combo machine is a versatile, high-performance solution that combines two critical forestry operations into a single, efficient process, cutting raw logs to length and immediately splitting them into firewood. This machine is ideal for firewood producers, timber yards, and agricultural businesses that need to streamline their workflow and increase output without investing in separate equipment. Typically powered by hydraulics or an integrated motor system, the machine features a powerful circular saw or chainsaw mechanism to cut logs to preset lengths. Once cut, the log is automatically transferred, often via a conveyor or mechanical pusher, into the splitting chamber. There, a hydraulic ram or screw cone splits the log into uniform pieces, ready for packaging, drying, or use. The double shaft shredder is a heavy-duty machine designed to crush tough materials like wood, metal, and waste. With two powerful rotating shafts, it tears through bulky debris with ease, offering high efficiency, low noise, and durability. Ideal for recycling, it reduces material size for easier handling and processing. The excavator-mounted tree shear, also known as a wood delimber or felling head, is a game-changing attachment that transforms a standard excavator into a powerful, multi-purpose forestry tool. This hydraulic-powered cutting head is designed to grab, shear, delimb, and even stack trees in a fast, safe, and controlled manner. making it a vital asset for modern logging and land clearing operations. What makes this attachment especially valuable is its ability to operate in rough or sensitive terrain where traditional ground-based machines cannot easily access. Whether working on steep slopes, marshy ground, or alongside roadways and power lines, the excavator arm provides reach and stability, while the cutting head performs precise and efficient operations. The integrated jaws clamp the tree firmly, while the cutting blade slices cleanly through the trunk, minimizing fall hazards and allowing for directional felling. Advanced models of this tool can not only cut the base of trees, but also strip limbs and section the trunk into manageable logs, all in one sequence. Some versions feature 360-degree rotation, allowing the operator to position and manipulate the tree with exceptional control. Others come with interchangeable blades, replaceable teeth, and automatic pressure regulation to handle varying tree diameters and hardwood types. Safety is another major advantage. Operators remain inside the secure excavator cab, far from falling trees and moving parts. This reduces the risk of injury and improves visibility during complex tasks. Moreover, by reducing the number of machines required on site, this attachment helps lower fuel consumption, transportation costs, and environmental impact. In summary, the excavator-mounted tree shear and delimber is a must-have for forestry professionals seeking speed, precision, and safety. It streamlines operations, increases productivity, and offers exceptional return on investment in both small-scale and industrial logging projects. The handheld chainsaw is one of the most indispensable tools in forestry, landscaping, and even home maintenance. Compact, powerful, and versatile, this tool is specifically designed to cut through trees, limbs, logs, and thick branches with speed and precision. Whether powered by gasoline, electricity, or battery, modern chainsaws are built to deliver consistent performance under demanding conditions. At the core of its functionality is a high-speed rotating chain mounted on a guide bar. This chain features sharp, durable teeth that slice through wood fibers cleanly and efficiently. Advanced models include features such as automatic chain lubrication, low kickback chains, and anti-vibration handles, all aimed at improving operator safety and comfort. Many chainsaws also come with quick start systems and easy access maintenance panels, making them more user-friendly for both professionals and hobbyists.
A bolo svetlo. Ten strom tu teraz uvoľnil svetlo.
Handheld chainsaws are widely used in logging, storm cleanup, firewood preparation, and tree pruning. Their portability allows users to work in tight spaces and remote areas where heavier equipment can't reach. Battery-powered models are gaining popularity for their low noise levels and zero emissions, while gas-powered units remain the go-to choice for heavy-duty jobs. Safety is crucial when using a chainsaw. That's why responsible users wear protective gear like gloves, helmets, and chaps, and follow proper handling procedures. With regular maintenance, such as sharpening the chain, checking the oil, and cleaning the air filter, a quality chainsaw can last for many years. In short, the handheld chainsaw offers unmatched efficiency and control when it comes to wood-cutting tasks. It's a must-have tool for anyone working with trees, whether in a forest, a backyard, or on a construction site.
Today, we are reviewing a powerful and reliable tool that's essential for both professionals and serious DIYers, the handheld chainsaw. This model is equipped with a 2.5 horsepower engine that delivers strong, consistent cutting power, making it ideal for tackling thick logs, hardwood branches, and general woodcutting tasks. One of the key highlights is its ergonomic design. The rubberized handle reduces vibration and provides a firm, comfortable grip, even during long periods of use. Starting the engine is smooth and quick, thanks to the integrated Easy Start system, which performs reliably even in colder conditions. The 16-inch bar offers a perfect balance between mobility and cutting capacity, giving you clean, fast, and accurate cuts every time. Safety has also been taken seriously with a built-in chain brake and a low kickback chain. The risk of accidents is significantly reduced. During our test, the saw handled continuous cutting with impressive stability, and the results were consistently clean and precise. Whether you are trimming trees, preparing firewood, or working on a construction site, this chainsaw proves itself as a dependable and efficient tool. If you are looking for performance, safety, and ease of use in one compact machine, this is a model worth considering. When raw power meets intelligent engineering, the result is a machine like this, the Wood Crusher, designed to handle the toughest jobs in forestry and land clearing. Built with industrial-grade components, this machine doesn't just crush wood, it dominates it. From thick tree trunks to tangled branches, nothing stands in its way. The high-torque motor ensures that every piece of material fed into its wide mouth chamber is reduced to fine chips within seconds. Its heavy-duty steel frame resists wear and vibration, even under continuous operation. The cutting drum, armed with hardened blades, rotates at high speed to deliver clean, consistent output. Safety is not an afterthought. This machine features automatic feeding control, emergency shut-off systems, and protective hoods to ensure maximum operator security. Despite its brute strength, the operation remains surprisingly efficient, minimizing fuel consumption and downtime. During field testing, it performed flawlessly, devouring a full load of mixed timber without hesitation. Whether you are clearing storm debris, preparing mulch, or processing biomass for energy, this wood crusher is engineered to turn hard work into smart work. It's not just a machine, it's a solution built for those who demand performance, durability, and results. In the demanding world of forestry and land management, efficiency and strength are not luxuries, they are necessities. The forest clearing machine is a testament to that principle. Designed to tackle dense vegetation, stubborn tree stumps, and tangled undergrowth, this machine is built for one purpose: to reclaim and transform wild, untamed land with speed and precision. Equipped with a high-powered hydraulic system and reinforced steel attachments, it clears trees, brushes, and roots with minimal resistance. The front-mounted mulching head grinds everything in its path into fine debris, leaving behind a clean, manageable surface. What once took days of manual labor now takes only hours with a single operator. Despite its raw power, the machine is engineered with care. Low ground pressure ensures minimal soil disruption, and the operator's cabin offers full visibility, soundproofing, and climate control for comfort in extreme conditions. With intelligent controls and real-time performance monitoring, every movement is optimized for productivity and safety. In our field tests, this machine handled acres of thick forest without pause, demonstrating relentless power and remarkable efficiency. Whether used in construction prep, wildfire prevention, or agricultural expansion, the forest clearing machine proves to be an indispensable asset. It doesn't just clear the land, it redefines what's possible. Hidden beneath the surface of a cleared forest lies one of the toughest challenges in land restoration: the stubborn tree stump. It anchors deep into the earth, resistant to time, weather, and even conventional tools. Enter the stump grinder, a machine purpose-built to remove what nature has anchored with precision, speed, and power. At its core is a high-torque engine that drives a heavy-duty grinding wheel, equipped with carbide-tipped teeth capable of tearing through wood and roots alike. As the wheel spins at high velocity, it methodically shreds the stump into mulch, reducing what was once a massive obstacle into reusable organic matter. The design is both rugged and refined. Reinforced steel construction ensures durability in harsh terrain, while intuitive controls give operators precise command over depth and movement. Hydraulic arms adjust the position with ease, adapting to uneven ground and varied stump sizes. What sets this machine apart is its efficiency. Instead of digging, burning, or waiting years for decay, the stump grinder finishes the job in minutes cleanly, safely, and with minimal environmental impact. In field use, it has proven invaluable for landscapers, farmers, and land developers who need to reclaim land quickly and effectively. This isn't just a machine, it's a quiet force of transformation, turning what was once immovable into opportunity. In the heart of wood processing, where time, efficiency, and safety matter most, a machine like this stands out: the wood cutting and splitting combination machine. Designed for professionals who demand both power and precision, this all-in-one solution redefines what it means to process timber. At first glance, its rugged steel frame and industrial-grade components speak volumes. But it's what happens when the machine is in motion that truly impresses. Logs are first guided through the powerful circular or hydraulic saw, delivering clean, consistent cuts with minimal waste. Then, without the need for manual repositioning, each section is immediately transferred to the splitting chamber, where immense force drives hardened steel wedges through the wood, creating perfectly sized firewood in seconds. What once required two separate machines and twice the handling is now streamlined into a continuous, automated process. This not only saves time, but also reduces operator fatigue and risk of injury. The intuitive control panel, automatic feeding system, and emergency safety stops make the operation both efficient and secure. Whether you're running a firewood business, clearing storm debris, or supplying lumber for rural heating needs, this machine delivers unmatched productivity. It's a true workhorse, not just cutting and splitting wood, but transforming workflow, output, and expectations. For those who work with wood daily, it's more than equipment, it's a game changer. Designed to handle everything from tree trunks and thick branches to roots and discarded wood waste, this machine transforms large volumes of wood into fine sawdust, wood chips, or mulch with incredible efficiency. Depending on the specific model, the wood crusher can be equipped with different mechanisms such as dual shafts, hammer mills, or rotating drums, each serving a unique function for various types of wood and end purposes. One of the standout features of the dual shaft crusher is its ability to shred even the toughest lugs and roots without clogging. It uses counter-rotating shafts with hardened steel blades that grip and tear through the material with raw force. Meanwhile, the hammer-type crusher is known for producing finer wood particles, ideal for biomass fuel, composting, or even animal bedding. Drum-style crushers, on the other hand, offer high-speed chipping performance and are often used in large-scale industrial applications. What makes wood crushers especially valuable is their contribution to waste reduction and resource recovery. Instead of disposing of forestry leftovers or construction wood scraps, businesses can now repurpose them into valuable materials. Additionally, these machines are built for durability and continuous operation, making them a long-term investment for anyone in the wood industry. Whether you are managing a sawmill, a recycling plant, or a forestry operation, a well-equipped wood crusher dramatically improves productivity, reduces labor intensity, and supports sustainable wood processing. The wood waste crusher is an indispensable solution for businesses that deal with large volumes of discarded wood materials. Specifically designed to process wooden pallets, scrap boards, crates, and offcuts from furniture or construction sites, this machine turns bulky wood waste into small, manageable particles. It helps reduce the volume of waste dramatically while transforming it into reusable materials for fuel, compost, or other industrial applications. Equipped with powerful steel blades and robust motor systems, the crusher operates with high torque and precision. Whether it's thick wooden crates or nail-infested pallets, the machine can break them down effortlessly. Advanced models often feature magnetic separators that automatically remove metal nails and screws during the shredding process, ensuring safety and output purity. One of the key benefits of this machine is its contribution to sustainability. Instead of sending tons of wood waste to landfills, businesses can repurpose the output into valuable resources for biomass energy, agricultural use, or recycled wood products. It's not just about efficiency, it's about environmental responsibility. In recycling facilities, sawmills, and manufacturing plants, wood waste crushers save space, reduce labor, and lower disposal costs. With adjustable output sizes and continuous feed designs, they are built for both versatility and heavy-duty performance. Investing in a wood waste crusher is not only a smart move for productivity but also a significant step toward greener, more sustainable operations. The handheld chainsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that plays a critical role in forestry, landscaping, and wood processing. Designed for cutting trees, trimming branches, and slicing logs with speed and precision, the chainsaw combines raw mechanical force with ergonomic control. Whether powered by gasoline, battery, or electricity, Modern chainsaws are built to deliver consistent cutting performance even in the most demanding environments. One of the most important features of a high-quality chainsaw is its cutting efficiency. With a sharp, rotating chain running along a guide bar, it can slice through thick tree trunks and hardwoods with minimal effort. Anti-vibration systems and lightweight designs help reduce operator fatigue, allowing for longer use with greater comfort and control. Safety features such as chain brakes, kickback protection, and hand guards further enhance the tool's reliability for both professionals and casual users. Chainsaws are not only essential for tree felling operations but also for firewood preparation, clearing storm-damaged trees, and even in construction projects involving timber. They save hours of manual labor and dramatically boost productivity in outdoor and industrial settings. With proper maintenance and safety precautions, a good chainsaw can last for years and remain a dependable asset in any toolkit. For anyone working in the woods, managing land, or processing lumber, the handheld chainsaw remains an irreplaceable machine for speed, power, and precision. The screw-type log splitter is an incredibly efficient and robust tool designed to split firewood with ease, precision, and minimal physical effort. Unlike traditional hydraulic log splitters, this machine uses a large conical screw or auger that rotates at high speed. When a log is pressed against the spinning cone, the screw pulls the wood inward and splits it along the grain with a natural, powerful shearing motion. The result is a fast, clean split that requires little manual handling. One of the standout features of the screw splitter is its mechanical simplicity and high speed. It can process large volumes of wood quickly, making it ideal for firewood producers, rural households, sawmills, and even commercial operations. The cone can handle both softwood and hardwood, and depending on the machine's size and motor, it can split thick, knotty logs that would otherwise resist hydraulic force. Its compact design allows it to be mounted on tractors, electric stands, or other motor bases, making it flexible for both stationary and mobile use. Safety covers and log holders are often included to enhance operational safety. Another major benefit is energy efficiency because it doesn't rely on heavy hydraulic pumps. Power consumption is often lower, and maintenance is simpler. In short, the screw-type log splitter is a game changer for anyone dealing with regular firewood preparation. It offers unmatched speed, reliability, and durability, making the task of splitting wood faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. The excavator-mounted tree shear or wood limber is a specialized attachment designed to convert standard excavators into powerful forestry machines. Mounted directly onto the arm of an excavator, this hydraulic-driven cutting head is engineered to grasp, cut, and strip branches or entire trees in one efficient motion. It is commonly used in logging operations, land clearing, plantation management, and utility line maintenance, where speed and precision are critical. One of the key advantages of this equipment is its ability to operate in hard-to-reach or hazardous terrain where traditional logging machinery might struggle. Controlled from within the safety of the excavator cab, the operator can extend the arm to reach tall trees, cut them at the base with the integrated blade, and then delimb or section them with precision. This improves operator safety, reduces ground damage, and accelerates the entire timber harvesting process. Modern tree shear heads often feature rotating grips, replaceable blades, and adjustable pressure control to handle different tree sizes and wood densities. With a single attachment, the operator can cut trunks, remove branches, and stack timber for further processing, all without switching tools. This level of efficiency dramatically reduces labor time and operating costs. In today's demanding forestry environments, the excavator-mounted tree cutter is an essential tool that enhances both productivity and safety. Its strength, reach, and versatility make it ideal for both commercial and industrial scale operations.